Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from Power Finance Corporation. Now let us see the detailed notification. So here you can see this URL pfcindia.com/nsite/home/vs/40. So this is the link which you have to click in order to see this particular notification. Now, so if you scroll down here, you can observe advertisement number 01/2025. So this is the advertisement number and advertisement related PDF is given here. If you click on this, the PDF will open and you can see the entire details of the notification. Then here there is a tab called click to apply. So if you click here, so it will redirect to the online recruitment system. So recruitment advertisement, Power Finance Corporation, a Maharatna company providing financial assistance to various entities in the power sector. So this is the thing. So advertisement number 1/2025, try to remember this advertisement number, dear students. All the future correspondence will be through this advertisement number only. So kindly go through this. Then opening date of the application form is 24th January 2025 and here view advertisement is there, apply online is there. So if you click on apply online, so here this link will open. So important dates of recruitment, opening date and time of online registration and submission of application. So opening date and time for online registration 24th January 2025 at 10 AM. Then closing date. So closing date is 13th February 2025 up to 5 PM. So the closing date is given and at the same time online payment also should be completed by that date and time. So don't wait till the last minute. So try to apply as early as possible. Okay, so here you can see application fee details, how to apply, general instructions, format for SC, ST, OBC, EWS certificate and apply online, new registration. Already registered users can log in here. So first of all, let us see the new registration part. So once you click on this new registration part, so here it will open like this. Before filling the application, please make sure you are eligible for the post as per the advertisement. So I'll show you the details of the advertisement. Candidates are advised to note that the supporting documents will be checked only on the date of interview. Shortlisting for the selection process shall be done only on the basis of submissions made by the applicant in the online application. Therefore, please make sure you are eligible as per the advertisement as no TADA will be paid if the applicant is shortlisted for the selection process but not found eligible during document verification on the date of interview. Then fill the details and click on validate data. After validating data, attach the scanned copies of passport size photograph, signature, date of birth certificate and category certificates if applicable. Then click on save data. After saving data, click on next to proceed for qualification, experience, payment and final submission. Fields marked with star are mandatory. Already registered users can log in here. So again it is given. User ID is your application ID and password is your date of birth. That is what he has mentioned as login credentials. Okay. So basic information, name of the post. So here different categories of posts are there in this drop down. So you can see here and category. So category will come once you click on this. Okay. Are you a person with disability? That information they have asked. Are you an ex-serviceman? Are you a regular PFC employee? All those information is given. You have to enter the information, but here star mark is not given. So these are not mandatory fields. Blood group, so you have to put that. Then personal information, first name, middle name, last name. Then date of birth, DD, MM. So date, month and year that was given here. Gender. So husband's or father's name, marital status, nationality, address for communication, permanent address, contact details. So email ID and mobile number which you are using. Now you have to put those only because you might get the information through email ID or phone. Okay, Aadhaar card number. So you have to put here. PAN card number is not mandatory. So but he has given the option to put that. Joining time required in case of selection. That also in days you have to mention how many days you require. So here declaration part is there. So you have to check this declaration part and then click on validate data. Then it will redirect to the next process as shown here. Okay, so this is how you have to apply here. So once you validate data, then you will go for uploading passport size photograph and signature, so date of birth certificate and category certificates if required, and then you have to save data, and after saving data you need to click on next to proceed for qualification, experience, payment and final submission. Okay, so all these things you have to check. Now let us see the detailed advertisement, dear students. So Power Finance Corporation is a government of India undertaking, and advertisement number, as I told you, 1/2025. So this is the advertisement number. So grade or designation E2 officer. So scale of pay is 50,000 to 1,60,000. So total number of vacancies are 14, and for various categories he has given the details of the number of posts that are available. So coming to the qualification, minimum qualification and age limit. BE BTech Electrical, Electronics, Instrumentation and Control, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Telecommunication, Mechanical, Manufacturing, Industrial, Production, Power, Energy, or any combination of these specializations, and 2-year MBA, PGP, PGDM, PGDBM, PGDBA course with specialization in finance or power. So this is what is given. Now let me show you the percentage criteria that also is required. So here the percentile required in BE, BTech and MBA so is 60%, and you have to do full-time degree. So you have to do both BTech and BE and MBA in full-time, and maximum age limit is 30 years. So that is what is given for this particular category of this post. Now let us go for the other posts that are available for engineering students. So E1 Deputy Officer 3, the grade scale pay is 40,000 to 1,40,000. Number of posts are 2. Unreserved category 1 post is there. OBC 1 post is there. So here the requirement is BE BTech in CSIT. BE BTech should be full time with minimum 60% marks. Maximum age limit is 28 years. So along with that, so there is one more requirement. Minimum 1 year post qualification experience is required in the field of IT security, IT network, data center operations, review of cyber security policy, IT policy and ensuring its implementation, IT systems audit, cyber security risks, arrangements, preparedness, etc. So this is what is the essential requirement. Along with education qualifications, 1 year post experience is also required for this E1 Deputy Officer 3 post. Now let us see E1 Deputy Officer 4 post. So E1 Deputy Officer 4 post, grade scale pay is 40,000, 3% to 1,40,000. So number of posts are 3. Unreserved category 1 post is there, OBC 1 post, SC 1 post is there. BE BTech in CSIT, and BE BTech should be full time with minimum 60% marks. So full time BE BTech with 60% marks. Age limit is 28 years. So here also minimum 1 year post qualification experience in software development using ASP.NET or .NET Core and C# with Angular, React, JavaScript, jQuery, HTML5, CSS3. Exposure in Oracle SQL Server, RDBMS or SAP ABAP development, all this information is given. Kindly go through this before applying. Okay, if you are eligible, you can apply for this. Okay, then E1 Deputy Officer 5, 40,000 to 1,40,000 is the grade scale pay. 2 posts are there, unreserved 1 post, EWS 1 post. BE BTech in CSIT, BE BTech should be full time with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is again 28 years, and here qualification experience, minimum 1 year experience is required in configuration, maintenance and support of network routers, switches, cables, desktops, printers, etc. Experience in installation, configuration, maintenance and support of Windows, Linux, Unix, JBoss, etc. And experience in IT security administration, including security solutions, network security, WAPT, etc. So this is what is required. Okay, so kindly go through the detailed notification. And here E1 Deputy Officer 6. So this is for civil engineering candidates. Scale pay is 40,000 to 1,40,000. Number of posts are 4. Unreserved 2 posts, ST 1 post, OBC 1 post. So BE BTech in civil engineering is required, and it should be full time with minimum 60% marks. Minimum 60% marks is required, and age limit is 28 years. Okay, so coming to the experience, so minimum 1 year post qualification experience in handling estate, building management, safety norms, general administration, procurement through GEM portal, etc. All this information, so kindly go through that. So if you are eligible, you can apply for this. I have already shown you how you have to apply. Okay, so now coming to the compensation package. So deputy officer E1, minimum basic pay is 40,000. So then additional perks, all these things will be there. Officer E2, minimum basic pay is 50,000. So other incentives, everything is mentioned here. So relaxations and concessions. So here for SC/ST candidates, relaxable up to 5 years. SC/ST category, 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer, 10 years for PWBD from unreserved category, 13 years from PWBD from OBC NCL category, and 15 years for PWBD from SC/ST category as per government guidelines. Okay, so this is what is given regarding the relaxations and concessions. Kindly go through this information. And so regarding disabilities related information is also given. Coming to the general conditions. So qualification should be from universities or institutions recognized and approved in India by AICTE UGC appropriate statutory authority. Eligible institutes for qualifications against each vacancy are mentioned below. Only candidates completing the required qualification from the mentioned institutes are eligible to apply. So eligible institutes to consider MBA or equivalent for E2 officer vacancies. So here you can see IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kozhikode, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Lucknow, IIM Indore, IIT Bombay, and FMS Delhi is given. So eligible institutes, NIRF top 10 to consider BE BTech in CSIT for E1 deputy officer 3, 4, 5 vacancies, and BE BTech in civil engineering for E1 deputy officer. IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, NIT Tiruchinapalli, and IIT BHU Varanasi. So eligible institutes, NIRF top 20 to consider LLB categories. So that is given here. Kindly go through this information, dear students. Okay, so all the requirements are given here. So kindly go through this. Okay. Applicants found suitable will be called for written test or CBT and or interview, the venue and time for which will be intimated through the PFC website and email. That is what is given here. In case of written test or CBT, the marks obtained shall only be the qualifying in nature and will not carry any further weightage in the interview process. Candidate will bear travel, accommodation, etc. charges by own for appearing in written test or CBT. PFC will not provide any reimbursement or refund in this regards. So those working in public sector, government sector should get no objection certificate at the time of interview. That is what is given. All appointments are subjected to medical fitness. That is also given here, dear students. Then before applying, so try to make sure that you are eligible and fulfill all the prescribed qualifications. And to register, already I have shown you where you have to go. So the URL I have shown you, you have to go there and apply. Okay, then last date is 13th February 2025 up to 5 PM. So you have to complete the registration process. After successful registration, candidates are required to upload the self-attested copies of required documents, particularly following: proof of date of birth, class 10 certificate, qualification degrees, mark sheets, and any other certificates if required in support of specialization, percentage, mode of qualifications, category certificates, upload a recent passport size photograph and scanned copy of signature, and proof of experience. After successful uploading of the documents, the applicants will be guided to payment gateway for online payment of application fee, so which is non-refundable of 500 inclusive of applicable taxes through net banking, debit card, credit card. No application fee will be charged from SC, ST, PWD, ESM candidates. Okay, so There is no UPI payment, dear students. Only through net banking, debit card and credit card you have to pay. After successful payment of application fee, candidates are required to select final submission of application. So you need to select final submission of application. Please retain the printout of application form and payment acknowledgement slip for further references. Okay, so candidates should take utmost care in furnishing providing the correct details while filling up the online application form. You can edit the information before final submission of the application form. That option is also given. Okay, so all applicants are requested not to send hard copy of the application form or any documents to the corporation. Candidates are required to have valid email ID which would be active till the completion of this recruitment process. This already I have explained to you. Okay, so kindly go through all these information carefully, dear students. Online application has started from 21st January 2025. Last date for payment is 13th February 2025. And last date for submission of online application is 13th February 2025, dear students. Okay, so thank you, all the very best. Apply in time.